Alright, so we've built this kitchen outside, just in the lockdown, so we're trying to do some different kind of cooking. You alright, Ralph? You gonna help me today?
Yeah.
Right, so you're bald as well, your head shaved. Yes, at the moment we really struggle to get hold of ingredients for some of the stuff we need to do, and also things such as having a Chinese or a curry is good, you can get all that stuff, but fish and chips, something that we can't get hold of. So we're going to make our own fish and chips today. Fresh chips here, as you can see there, it's got a decent size. And just put them into the bucket there.
There you go.
Nice and chunky chips. What I'm doing is, because of obviously it's quite wobbly potato, so I'm going to cut these down for him slightly, and then he'll do on the flat surface. Obviously you've got to think about your fingers, and knife safety is important. But in here we've got a fryer going, so we've got it on low heat. So you want it about 170 to cook your chips. You have to start them on a low heat, and then after that you'll turn the temperature up for a second cook, which will crispen them up, but again I'll explain that. So we've called the potatoes up now, we're just waiting for the oil to warm up. What we do is just for a test, you just drop one of them in. So that's nice there, it's just bubbling, so we'll drop the rest in. Right, so we've got some cod today, we got it from, I think it was Iceland in the end. We've got a decent price there. It's hard to get hold of the stuff, so we have to get frozen, defrosted it, so a lot of moisture might be in there. So what we're going to do now is, Ralph is going to pat it dry, so you just put a cloth over it, a clean tea towel, just press it down. Get a bit of moisture to come out of this fish, make it a bit more meaty as such.
Squish it hard.
And again, with it being a bit drier, the batter will stick to it better. Yeah, so that'll come off now. Right, do you want to come off? There we go. Yeah. Right, okay. So got it patted dry. Making a batter's dead easy. Ralph's never done it before. I haven't told him how to make it, so we're going to show you how to make it now. Yeah. Right, Ralph, put half of that water into the container there, that blue pot. One? Yeah. Vinegar?
Vinegar.
Yeah. Right, you want to open that up?
I hate the smell of it.
No, no, isn't it? You like the smell of it?
How much?
Right, go on, look some in. No, I'll shake it about 10 times. What vinegar does in the batter, it makes it crispy. Oh, put a couple more in. So if you can't get hold of vinegar, you can use lemon juice as well. Anything acidic there will crispen up the batter. Right, next, baking powder. So how much there? It's about, in there's about 3 teaspoons. Do you want to put half of that in? Yeah, that's fine. Hard to get hold of this flour. You want to put about half that in. Okay. Right, if you get your whisk now, what you want to be doing, you get it all down yourself.
Oh, nice.
There you go. Right, you want to whisk that so it's nice and smooth. Let's get that in there. Right, get it a bit thicker. So what you'll find is when you put your fish in, the batter will become a bit thinner because obviously the moisture from the fish doesn't come off. If you've got any excess moisture on the fish still. Right, so what, bang a bit more flour in. It's a little bit thicker. You want it to be like a bit, that flour, yeah. You want it to be like a custard. Like a nice, not too thick custard, but a decent custard. Some people put things like corn flour in there, some people I've even seen people put custard powder in, a bit more than that. Won't bother putting all that stuff in, just keep it. Simple recipe. We'll just put a bit of salt in this to finish it when you've got it the right consistency. A bit more. Go on, touch more. So you can see. Yeah, smells nice. They get nice and soft. What we'll do is we'll cook them so they're nice and soft. Probably until about 3/4 cooked, and then we'll take them out of the fryer, and then we'll turn the fryer up and brown them. That's the idea behind that. Right, Ralph, the fish here now, I need to make some seasoned flour. So if you get the flour and put it into this white dish here, yeah, the red one. Put about half of that into the white tray. With your fish batter, you could put, rather than using water, you could actually do it with beer if you wanted to. You put some Cajun spice in there, and all sorts of different flavours and stuff you can do with batter. Yeah, just mix it with your fingers, it's fine. What I'll do, just pat your hand against the side of the dish, and it'll come off all over. Right, so we've got to wait now for the chips to finish before we can start frying. But you sometimes find as well with the fish, some people cook it and it all curls up at the end. To avoid that cooking, to avoid the fish curling, use the back of the knife. Just tap all the way down. So when it's frying, it won't curl up. A little tip there for you. Right, so the chips are soft now. So what I'll do is let's have a lined greaseproof tray. Stick them in here. So we've got some nice chips ready to go, but we've just got to fry them later to get them brown. So next, I'm going to up the temperature of this fryer. Get that right up there to about 190. Again, the fish, quite dry, decent piece of fish. Like I said, we got that from Iceland today. There's loads of supermarkets out there, you can still get things. It doesn't matter if it's frozen. I mean, this is a good quality piece of fish still. Again, you have to make do with what you got. I'm showing how to make a tart sauce soon. Again, we couldn't get fresh parsley today, so we'll have some dried parsley, but we'll do the best we can with what we got. So I've dipped it in flour, shake off the excess flour. Again, keep one hand for doing this. So you have a wet hand and you have a dry hand for each. So a bit of excess coming off there. Just pour prep there, right. So this part, I'll take the basket, put that to one side. Sort of stick. And again, don't throw the fish in, don't be scared of the fryer. Just let it gently lay down. There we go, that's it. Right, and I'll do it again. So again, I've got this hand's wet now. Wet hand, dry hand. So again, this fish into the flour. Make sure you're coating the fish. Again, coating the fish allows the batter to stick nice to it. Put the dry into the wet. Make a nice fresh tart sauce. Mayonnaise. Again, I couldn't get any fresh parsley, so got this dry stuff. Just bang a bit of that in. Bit of lemon juice. Again, roll the lemon. Gold juice. Put it out. Squeeze the juice into there. Scale the rest of it. Again, some flavours in there now. Right, so for this, some capers. Try one else.
No. They look horrible. They're gherkins.
Yeah, gherkins.
What's in the bottom of that?
The
bottom?
It's all the mustard seeds.
Mustard? What?
Right, so this now, all we're going to do. That's it, just drain a bit of liquid off there. That's liquid. That's it. Got the hand. Right, and all you're going to do with this, get myself a fork. And then mix it all in. Ready for the fish. Right. No. Right, fish almost there. Right, so you've got your fish in here now. You'll find, come a bit nearer. You'll know when it's cooked when it starts to float on the top of the water. On the water, on top of the oil. So that's cooked now. All I'm going for is a bit more colour, just like mine, a bit darker in colour. These excess stuff here, scraps, you can keep them if you want to have them with your chips, but I'll discard them. So I prepped the chips earlier, got the fish sorted. Again, we said I need to put more colour on. So I'll put these two in together. I'll get my plate ready for when they're coming out. Right, so a nice colour there on my fish and the chips. Again, watch your fingers on, burn yourself. Put the fish there, just take that, just place that down, just to rest for a second. Again, shake off the excess oil. Let's have a little area set up. Some nice home cooked chips. Nice piece of fish. One thing I was left to do is serve this with a nice side dollop. Oh, look at that. Tart sauce. And there you go. From the Kilbride kitchen today we've done fish and chips. Just take a picture of there. There you go, get it all in. Fish and chips. And again, I think a bit of ketchup. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll see the other videos. I think the next one we'll probably do some smoking things such as kebabs and some braised meats, that kind of thing. Hi there, so join us at the Kilbride kitchen. It's our new outdoor kitchen area. Oh, got your head in there. I'm going to start doing different recipes. We've got a smoker arriving, nice haircut there at the back, Ralph. Got a smoker arriving in a few days' time, so we'll do some barbecue kind of style menus as well over the next few weeks. Hope you're liking them.